Hi, I'm Silvana Rosero, and I'm going to talk you about how I will stabilize and scale a Port Atlas operation in Cadre AI. I will cover the three main ideas. The first one is my plan to stabilize the team during the first week. The second one is how I will manage communication and visibility with clients. And the last main idea is how I will leverage AI to improve efficiency and output. And starting with my first week plan, my main goal is to quickly stabilize operations and gain visibility into all five clients without overloading Javier. Mm, the day number one, I will focus in past evaluation. I will audit ClickUp to identify the overdue task and no one responsible and potential bottlenecks. At the same time, I will review Slack conversations and Fireplace meeting transcriptions to understand the actual status without the need for long meetings. The day number two, I will move to stabilization. I will have a short alignment meeting with the team to validate priorities, identify any impediments or blockers, and reassign critical tasks if it is needed. The day number three, I will focus on client recovery. In this point, I will contact, I will practically contact the client that haven't received any updates in the last weeks. And I will share the client the clear plan for the future and the context, including schedules, next steps, MVPs, this to generate fast value. The day number four, I will organize the systems. I will clean and standardize ClickUp to create a reliable system for tracking and execution. With this, I will ensure that all tasks have responsible terms and clear status. The day number five, that is the last day, I will establish a system about control and reports, and I will create a dashboard with a standardized structure, and I will establish a weekly, a constant weekly to keep the visibility in the future. My main goal is not only fix actual problems. The idea is to create a big system to avoid that this problem happen again in the future. About the client communication, my main goal is guarantee the transparency, consistency, and the proactive updates. At the beginning of each weekly, the idea is to show or present clearly to client the actual status of each project with a simple structure, actual progress, key achievements, next steps, and any blockers. Also, before the meeting or the weekly, I will send an unstructured email to client, including that information, the deliverable status, and any risk or dependency that we have. Also, I will ensure that the blockers will be communicated as soon as possible instead of waiting the weekly. And this can help to generate trust between the client and us and avoid surprises later. For example, I will use a panel or a dashboard like this, where the client have a clear vision of the situation and where they can see what project or what client is on time, what is late, what is the plan progress and the real progress and the next steps with the final day. Also, I would like to show you this dashboard. I will use this as a detailed dashboard with more information that report, because here we can see project health, the priority of each project or each client, what is the status of each one, the operation specialist. You can include a budget in USD, and you can know what is the date that you have to final this budget. In this dashboard, you can find risk radar depending the rules that we have. And also you can find the client strategy objective depending the services that we offers. AI strategy, AI leadership and facilitation, AI engineering, and AI agents. Yes. This give to clients visibility in real time of progress without depending the weekly. I told you before. The idea is that they can identify risk before the meeting, and my principal goal in this point is that the communication will be clear, structured, and transparent. About the I will AI not only to facilitate the communication, but also to create a operation system. And for example, a specific US case is client reporting automation. This client reporting automation in this moment is manual, and this spend a lot of time in the operation, especially when we manage multiple clients. I will use a Fireplace to capture meeting transcriptions, and then Cloud to generate structured summaries, action items, and client-ready updates. This this allows me to reduce the manual effort, improve the consistent, and deliver faster communication. Also, I will use AI to monitor the actual status of project, analyzing tax data on ClickUp and identifying delays or any risks with time. This can help also to reduce bottlenecks and provide visibility in real time in every project with the clients. And my principal objective is to reduce the dependency of the manual coordination and create a scalable AI support. And finally, in summary, my approach focuses is on quickly stabilizing operations, creating clear visibility for both, not only for team, but also for clients, and leveraging AI to scale efficiency. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and I will be happy to work with you.